In this video, you are going to learn how to make a e-commerce website for your furniture. This is our current looking website. Now we just want to make this website for like a furniture website. Okay, so first of all, go to dashboard of this WordPress website. You can see this is WordPress website, and we need to install a theme first. So that's why go to appearance and go to theme. And you can see the Woodmart theme already I have uploaded here. We just need to activate it. So actually why you should use Woodmart theme for making your furniture based WooCommerce website? Actually Woodmart theme is very simple and it's very easy to customize. So you don't need to hire any top level expertise for edit that. So I hope you can do that by yourself, or if you have a so little technical skill, you can do that. Also you can contact me, I can help you. Okay, no problem. So let's we need to activate that. So it's now active, and let's reload our website. And now you can see this is looking pretty good. Okay, so actually this theme has many pre-built website. So actually this looking is good, but I don't want to use that. I just want to use another one. So if you want to use their pre-made templates, so you just need to go to the Woodmart. So go to Woodmart like this and go to pre-built website, and you can see this furniture too actually looking pretty good, and it's looking professional, I think. So I believe you will love it. So if you want to use that one, just you need to hit the import button and select OK, and again OK. And you can see it's taking some time, and you can see now it's 0%, and within few minutes it will complete. Okay, so you can see it's already 70% completed, and just for this time we can see a little feature with this website. So you can see it's the currency. Your website, your visitor can select any currency based on their country, and a gift card, showroom, about us, contact information, and contact with expert. So YC is already pretty built in, right? So if you use this theme, you don't need to hire a programmer to build your website with too much wasting of dollars. So you can save your money. And now see, you can, it's a completely cool looking website. Okay, so that's pretty good, and this is the actually the category. So you can make this website exactly same with few customization. I will show you a little bit of customization, and you can see it's still 30%, which is no problem. So if I show you one product page, you can see you can added video in here, which is looking pretty good and unique. So your customer will love it. And you can see this is all the photo they are showing here, and you can see this is the product details, and this is like a table, and which one actually personally I do prefer for you. And you can see the customer review. When your customer will give you the feedback, it actually will show based on their review. So voice is pretty good. And also you can see if your customer or visitor want to share this product, they can do that by simply click on this icon. So if I add to cart this product, let's check the cart button. Okay, so you can see it's now add to cart. So if I go on the view cart, So this is actually the cart, so it's pretty good actually, the showing like this. So you can, like, if your customer want to use any coupon, they can use it and apply. So that's it. And if they want to add the quantity, they can add it. So it's good, and let's check it. And you can see it's still 75%, so we need more time. So let's check it out. So also, if I want to show you the checkout page, which is also good, so you can add your website logo here. And this website is looking pretty good for me. So if you want, I can customize it for yourself, no problem. If you want to contact me, you can visit this video description. I will put all the details link on there. And you can see this, if you have the app, you can also link with your website. So which is pretty good. And you can see this is the animation, and now we can see it's our website is ready. So let's hit the live preview. So you can see our website is now okay, hit the live preview. Yes. So just hit the site visit. So this is actually our domain, but this one is not our domain. So it's nasimbro.online. And yes, now it's looking pretty good. And you can see edit with Elementor. You can simply edit with this Elementor, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's go to pages. Like first of all, you need to do actually what you want to change. You can change anything. Like for example, if I want to show you how you can remove this logo. Okay, so for removing logo, you need to go to the header builder. So go to theme, and then try to find the website settings, and then we need to see, you can see this is the banner. So it's a header banner, so it's not so bad, but oh sorry, here is the header builder I was finding. So you can see this header furniture 2 is now active. We just simply need to edit that and just try to find the logo here. And you can see, just try to understand this roadmap. This one the bar, this one the menu bar, and this one the logo. So this is the main bar, top bar, main header, header button. Okay, so we just need to hit the edit, and you can see the logo is here. We just simply upload our logo that you already have. So for example, I just want to use from this media library and use this emo, and then save it, and then hit the header button. So now the header is saving, so it's now successfully done. If I reload this, you can see it's actually based on the cookie, so sometime it's showing a few times later. So but don't worry about that. Yeah, now you can see it's worked, and the logo we have successfully changed. So everything is changeable if you want to make your website with a pretty expertise, not hiring too much expensive freelancer. You can contact me. I will give all the details link on this video description. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.